welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song here from NF. It's called Bullet. So we have this chord progression C, E minor, D, and D sus, and you could use that in different ways, and it's done there in this song. So we will look at that. First, we need to start with capo on the second. Okay, so capo on second, and we'll go over the chords. So we'll start with C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord will be E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And then we have this D sus 4 chord, and what you do there from D is you just replace the second D here, sorry, second E with the third E. All right, so you just have this transition there. So it gives us open D, second G, third B, and now third E. All right, so that's the chord progression: C, E minor, D, D sus. All right, so we'll take a look at this main part here, you can call it. It differs a little bit through the entire song, but anyway, we'll look at the picking here first, or the short downstrokes. So you start with C, you're gonna play this part. Right, so that is a short downstroke here, the A, D, and G notes there from the C chord. Right, and then you answer with 2 notes, and the notes are open E and third B. So that's the C. The next chord is E minor. You do a short downstroke there as well, and you play the E, A, D, and G notes. So the first 4 strings from the bass strings and down. Okay, and then you answer with 2 notes, and the notes are open B and open G. So the C and E minor part goes like this slowly. Okay, then we go on here with the D. You do the full downstroke on D, so from D string and down. And the 2 notes you answer with are the open B and open G again. And then you play the D sus for a full downstroke there as well. So the 4 strings from D and down. And then you answer with the notes second G and open G. All right, so slowly it goes like this. Goes like that, okay? All right, so that's one version of it. You could place one note of this and use a clap there as well. So you replace the first of the 2 notes you add that comes after every downstroke. The first note, so for instance the C, it's the open E and third B. So you replace the open E with a clap. So you do like this instead of the notes, and then you answer with the second notes only. So E minor, down, you replace the open B with a clap, and you answer with open G. And then for D, clap and open G. And for the D sus, clap and open G as well. So with the clap goes like this slowly. So that is only open G for the last 3 chords, E minor, D, and D sus, clap and open G. pretty much. All right, so that's one way of handling the chords. You can also play one down per chord, which is done in the song. But if you choose to do that, you will not play the last D sus4 chord. So you play the C, the E minor, and D, and then you have a longer pause there. So it goes like this. And the pause, and the next round. Pause, next round. So just skip the D sus4 when you play one down with this chord. All right, and then finally you can also play this strumming pattern, which is also when the song adds a little bit in tempo and intention like that. So we will look at the strumming pattern now. We will use the C as the first chord. And one round will be down, down, clap, down, up. All right, so that is one round. So down, down, clap, down, up. When you use this strumming pattern, you're gonna play all 4 chords and you're gonna play one strumming round per chord. So with that, it gives us do the D to the D sus4, I don't replace that much. I just keep the D and I add my little pinky there on the 3rd fret E string. Some technique stuff there. It's very easy. So C, E minor, E, D sus. So you can play with it. That is NF's Bullet. So good luck with this one, guys. Until next time, play tuned.